Alright, have fun. Don't forget to look at Jacob just at least for a minute.
I'm gonna count so it doesn't show my hand.
Ooh, that's a big old no.
Oh, we have to be hooked in to all the lines because I think we might fall off. But everyone that's flying. Oh well, I can't reach over there. Just hooking ourselves in, so we can't reach the edge.
Yes, I think so.
Line number 7 both sides.
Giving both sides a 7.
Zip on both sides, 7 to
All right, go ahead and step on down. All the way to the edge. All right. Remember, jump out. And 3, 2, 1, go!
I got you.
Alright, so how you get on there? How was it?
Fun.
Awesome. Here you go. Turn back this way. Sit on it.
And on this one, just down.
There you go.
Thank you.
You come down the stairs and take a left at the bottom. You have to on the huge observation deck below us and watch it off. We'll be right down
Here,
there.
did we take the gear off or anything? Or?
Go ahead and leave it on, just for the
Okay.
time being.
Oh, dude, you need to turn it off. You need to turn it off.